Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the government has given a commitment to cover a drain at a section of Augustown in St. Andrew, which claimed the life of a 9-year-old boy during heavy rains in September. The announcement was made by the Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Eastern, Favour Williams, during the funeral service of Kyle Richards at the Goldsmith Villa Seventh-day Adventist Church today. She insisted that the drains will be covered to prevent further deaths. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has that story.
Voices from the Hope Valley Experimental School in unison as they said a final goodbye to one of their own. Like them, 9-year-old Kyle Richards would often be seen decked in his khaki and green, but today he laid here.
I can't express my emotion. I just take each day as it comes. I don't think about it much.
You were a pleasant, honest little boy.
Scores gathered to pay their respects to the 9-year-old. Among them, members of the political directorate.
And I know that Jamaica mourns today. Jamaica mourns for Kyle. Our deepest and sincerest condolences in this time of grief and mourning. There is no tragedy in life like the death of a child.
Kyle's body was discovered in Harborview, St. Andrew on September 29, 4 days after he fell into a drain in Augustown and was washed away by floodwaters. It was mere days after his 9th birthday. Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Eastern, Favour Williams, has given a commitment to have the drain covered to prevent any further casualties.
The work continues across the constituency to act promptly to clear and clean the gullies. I know that today, this week, in the coming week, we will begin to see some work at the site where Kyle was washed away. It's an open drain that can be covered, at least with a grate, and we have to ensure that we clean it regularly if debris backs up there so that it doesn't overflow. It is not something that is beyond us to do. We just have to be vigilant with it.
Kyle's mother, Karine Kidd, expressed gratitude for what she has already received, especially to those who have thrown their support behind her during one of the most depressing times of her life.
I thank the search groups, our councillor, Inspector Trail, my friends, my family, the church members, everyone who was there with us. Thanks for the encouragement and the support. We appreciate it.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.